In this video, we are going to go through everything you need to know about Binance spot trading, the possible ways to make money from Binance spot trading, and how to practically trade on Binance spot trading platform. So let's start by defining what is spot trading and the difference between spot trading and futures trading. So basically, if you trade in the spot trading platform, you're basically buying a cryptocurrency that you will later have possession of. For instance, if you decide to buy BNB, you're practically buying that crypto, and that crypto will later become your possession. If you buy one BTC on Binance spot trading, you have possession of that one BTC. You can choose to withdraw it from Binance and send it to any other crypto exchange platform you want, or you can even withdraw it into your own cold wallet. So let's go into it and I will show you how to go about that. Unlike the way you buy and sell on the futures market, in the futures market, you're actually speculating the price of that underlying asset. You don't necessarily have access to it as your own personal possession. So on spot trading, once you buy it, it becomes your own. And then the way you make profit from it is when the price of that cryptocurrency increases in value. So there is only one way you can make money in spot trading. It is when the price of that asset increases in value. So if you have your Binance app, you can find it right here. If you come to trades, you click on it, you're actually going to see spot right up here. So what you see here is almost the same thing with what you have on your futures trading platform. You have access to select the crypto PA of your choice. Now, for you to be able to buy and sell on the spot trading platform, you need at least one of these two PA. So every time you're coming to trade in the spot trading platform, you need at least one of these. If you're buying Litecoin, as you're seeing right here, you will need either USDT or BUSD. So most people use USDT or BUSD as the stable coins they want to use to buy any cryptocurrency. And if you want to bring your USDT, you must make sure that if you come to wallets, you must find it under spot. Okay, it must be under your spot wallet before you would be able to trade in the spot trading platform with it. So if I go back to the spot trading platform, now assuming I have 50 USDT and I want to buy Litecoin with that 50 USDT, all I have to do is to make sure that I have it as LTC/USDT. The USDT, that is the one on your right hand side, is actually the stable coin you have. When we say stable coin, it is simply a cryptocurrency that is pegged with the United States dollar. It behaves the way the United States dollar is. It does not fluctuate in price. That's why we call it stable coin. And we have so many of them, such as USDT, BUSD, USDC, and so many of them. So if you want to change this, you simply click on this and then you will have access to select any cryptocurrency of your choice. Let's assume I want to buy BNB. Okay, if I click on it, you can see BNB USDT or BNB BUSD. Any of these that you have, you can select it. They are almost the same price. If I click on this, it will take me to this particular spot trading platform. Okay, so if I leave it on buy, it means I want to buy BNB and I have USDT. And then likewise, if I have BNB in possession, assuming I bought BNB when BNB was around $50 and now it has increased in price, it is almost $293, and I want to have it back in a stable coin. I don't want it to fluctuate because this price actually fluctuates. As you see it, it can go up in value and then it can fall in value. And if I want to have it as a stable coin so that I don't see fluctuation, I want to take my profit from this, I can simply sell it to USDT. And to sell it, you can simply come to sell. In this case, you're actually saying that you have BNB, you want to get USDT, which is a stable coin. Okay, I hope you get that. So after explaining this, now you need to understand that you can only trade them in PA. You cannot trade just one single cryptocurrency. So that is why you see them being paired together. So the next thing is to come to where you see your market order. We have a limit order and then we have a market order. If you click on it, we have several of them: limit order, market order, stop limit, and trailing stop. I will just explain limit order and market order in this case. And then I have my desktop right here too. You can see this is BTC USDT and I want to just explain how this works for you. This is my Binance platform. Now right here, you will look at this, the price of BTC currently is, look at the price, 21,580 something dollar at the current moment. Okay, so look at what it means to buy on spot trading platform. If you come here, let's assume I'm buying at this point. Let me take my horizontal line. If I buy at this point, okay, if I buy this BTC at this point, and then later on the price of BTC starts going down, okay, if it starts going down, and now currently the price of BTC is at this moment, let's see, is around 19,404. It means I have lose money because I've bought BTC at this price and now it has fallen down to this level, which means I've actually lose money. If you subtract 19,404 from the price I bought, which is 21,625, you can see that I actually lost almost $400. But if this goes up in price from here, because this is why we call it spot trading, okay? I am still on this spot. I have not moved away because I'm holding. This is what most people call HODL, okay? People are holding it for life. This is what they call it. So if you're holding it, you're expecting the price to move. That is why I said if you're trading in the spot trading platform, you only make money when the price begins to go up. But if the price goes down in value, you are actually losing money. I hope you're understanding this. So right here, as I buy, I hold it and then I wait for the price. Any cryptocurrency that you're buying, you hear people buy crypto and they make money from it. It is simply because they bought and remain in that point. And that is why I'm advising you, even if you are just trying to buy and hold, have a basic understanding of how to do technical analysis. And that is why on this YouTube channel, you can find all the videos on how to do technical analysis. All you have to do is to go to the playlist of this particular YouTube channel and go to the smart money concept with a very basic understanding of how to do technical analysis. You wouldn't be buying at a point where the price will fall. Whether you're buying a shitcoin or you're buying an altcoin, any cryptocurrency you're buying, you need to do analysis before you buy it and hold it, okay? So that is where most people get to understand, okay, this particular crypto is about to go up in price or is about to fall in price. So once you buy from here, it will either go up or come down. And you have to understand that if you buy something, the only way you can get rid of it is by selling it. So if it falls to this level, okay, if this price comes to this level and you see that you're losing money, you sell it at this point, you will find out that you have lost almost $400. And then the same thing happens if it comes to this level and you decide to sell it at this point, okay? That's around 25,438. The only way to get rid of it and have your money back is to sell it to a stable coin. And that is why we come back to our chart. We see it as sell. So we sell it and then we have the money back in our wallet. If you go to wallet, you're going to see where the money will come to. This is where you see wallet, and then you will find it under your spot wallet. You will practically see it here. So I hope you understand how the spot trading platform works. So let me briefly show you the difference between the buy and the sell. So if you are buying BNB at this price, because most people are expecting cryptocurrencies to go up in value. So if you're buying BNB at this price, you will patiently wait for the price of BNB to go up. One BNB is around $293. If you buy it at this point and then tomorrow or next tomorrow BNB increases in price and it reaches $500, it means you have made profit of almost $207 in just one day. So to get that in your stablecoin, you are okay with having that as the profit you've made. You can simply come to sell and then sell it at the market price. Let's assume this is $500, the current market price. All you have to do is to actually say you want to sell everything. You can sell some part of it or you can sell everything. If you click on all you have to do is to click on sell BNB. It will automatically sell the BNB and then give you back the money in USDT. I hope you understand this. If you have any question, go ahead and ask me. I will explain further. So now let me tell you something that I promised to tell you if you stay to the end. Most of the cryptocurrencies you see here, they are not the ones that will do 100x in just 5 days or 10 days. Most of the cryptocurrencies you find on Binance have already done the most important part of the movement. This place is mostly for people that are more patient, that don't want to take too much risk, because most of the projects out there, before they come to Binance, is when people begin to buy them in decentralized exchange. Binance is a centralized exchange, and then decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, and many other decentralized exchange platforms. If you want me to make videos on that, you can come to the comment and let me know. That is the only way I would know you want me to make videos on how to buy them early. Like the way you see Shiba Inu, before they come to Binance, Binance is actually a very big platform. Most of the centralized exchange platforms are big. They don't just take a project like that. They must make sure that the project does not carry a lot of risk. So most of the projects that end up on Binance have already done the 10x, 100x, 1000x before they come here. Even though they make money eventually here and it's more safer, but you have to be very patient. So this is actually how to buy here. And then let me briefly show you why we have limit order, okay? Now, assuming I have this, let me go back to my screen here. The limit order works this way. If I delete everything right here, assuming this is the price of BTC right now, okay? If I want to buy BTC, and this is the current price, which is around $21,608, then I don't want to buy at this price. I'm looking at this level. This level, let me say this level. This is the last high that was taken up to this level, that was violated, and then price reached this area. So at this point is around $18,389. So I want to buy it when it comes here. So this is where we have buy limit on this particular platform. You see buy limit on my mobile phone. So if I'm using a limit order, I'm simply saying if price comes to this place, that is 18,000, that is where you put the amount, okay? If price comes to, let me change it to BTC USDT, because that is what I have there. So what I'm saying is that on my limit order, if BTC comes to $18,389, I want to buy it. And I want to buy it with how much? With everything in my spot wallet. That is why I put 100x, okay? So the total is going to be shown here. So all I have to do is to click on buy. If I buy it at this point, it will wait for the price to come here. It will not buy automatically. It is not market order. So it will patiently wait for the price of BTC to come here before it buys. It's just like you have just set it to be automatic, okay? So once the price comes here, it will buy. And once it bought here, it can either go up, which is the only way you can make money, or it can fall in price, which means you are losing money. So this is what a buy limit is when you hear about limit order. Likewise, if you are trying to sell, you bought here and then you want it, once it come here at this price around 24,301, you want to sell the BTC once it reaches here, and you want it to be like an automatic sell. If you are not even close to your Binance platform, you can simply set your sell limit. If you come to sell here, and then you will put the price here, okay? You will put the price in this particular area. That's around, what did we say, is 24,300 and something, 24,301. So if you click on sell everything, you must select everything 100x. You can sell half of it, or you can sell just 20% of it. But if you sell everything, everything will be sent to your spot wallet, okay? So all you have to do is to click on sell BTC, and then that is how you make money. So the only way to make money on this, don't forget, is by holding it. You have to be patient, and then most of the cryptocurrencies that end up on Binance have already done the massive move that you're expecting. So you can only make money here when you're patient and you're carefully watching it over time. I hope you understood everything I explained in this. If you have any question, you want me to show you where to find them early, they are on decentralized exchange, and it's not every project you jump into. You have to be patient and wait for them before you can jump into them. So I hope you understand everything. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, let me know, and then make sure you subscribe to this channel to find more updates from me. You want to learn how to trade in the futures market, please subscribe here, because that is one of the most sure way to make money in this crypto space. I have videos on that on my channel. You can see them. Go to the playlist. You can see a complete course on futures trading, and then you also have how to do technical analysis like the smart money. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.